Come on, buddy.
All you have to do is hold it, just like that. Make it go, just like that, okay? And then when you're ready to stop, you just take your hand off. There you go. You're going in circles. Yay! Good job. Very good. Where's Mom? Say boo.
Hi.
There she
Are you moving?
Does he like loud noises or do they scare him?
Oh, he's fine.
He's fine with loud noises.
What'd you get? Are you moving? You're doing that all by yourself.
Okay, now Noah, to make it stop, you have to take your hand off. Can you show me stop?
Why would I do that? You can take your hand off.
Stop. That's stop. Okay? All right, now your turn. You make it go.
Make it go, Noah. Do
Look
go.
at that smile.
Let's do go. Hit your thing. Let's do go. Yep, there you go.
Yeah.
Almost.
You gotta hold it. Can you make it go? Ah, excellent.
There you go.
Okay.
Almost.
Push it down.
Push it down.
Oh, you
Almost.
almost had it. That was so close. So close. You try it again. I think you do better when you do it like this. Let's go. Yep. Go. Yay! You're
How are
making
you
it go. Good job. Okay, when you see Dad, I want you to stop.
He's coming.
Ready?
Where's Dad? When you see him, stop.
One. You stopped!
Yay!
Excellent! That was good listening. That was excellent listening. You want to try it again? Let's make it go the other way. Okay? I'm going to make it go towards this way. Okay? Can you make it go? Yep. And push it, hold it down. Yep. Oh, almost. Good trying. That was good trying. You have to get your arm here and push it down like that. There you go. Are you going the other way? Oh, nice stopping. You made it stop.
Are
Good
you
job.
gonna go again?
Excellent.
Are you gonna go?
You want to go again? I really need your feet down, but can you make it go some more?
Do some more, Noah.
While he's doing circles, I'm going to go get a couple of
Are you
things
stuck?
to
Here,
try.
I'll help you. There, now you're unstuck.
There you go.
Do some more. There you go. Almost. I think the other side's better now. Try this side. There you go. Almost. Don't want her over there. You stop?
It.
Yay!
Good job, Noah.
Are you gonna